What's up, Evo World players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end.
Spoken. Want free gems in evoworld.io without hacks or ban risk? Today I'll show 5 legit methods that actually work, fast, safe, and easy. Stay till the end for a bonus giveaway. On screen, channel logo plus video title card. Quick clips of gem rewards Setia drops, 55s, Spoken. Method 4, redeem promo codes. Follow the devs on Twitter, Discord, and Instagram. They drop codes during updates and live streams. Join the official Discord, turn on notifications, and copy codes fast. On screen, show Twitter, Discord pages, or placeholders, where to paste code in-game. Add a sticky. Pro tip. Save code lists in your Notes app. Spoken. Example. I check the Discord every patch day. That's when the best codes drop. 323. Method 5. In-game achievements and leaderboards, 50s. Spoken. Method 5. Grind achievements and leaderboard rewards. Some seasonal leaderboards or achievement milestones give gem bonuses. Focus on achievable goals, small wins compound. On-screen, achievement list, progress bar, leaderboard rewards. Spoken. Tip. Make a short plan. Which small achievements can you complete today? 413. Bonus method. Community giveaways and creator codes, 40s. Spoken. Bonus. Watch creators and community servers. Many creators host giveaways and some games support creator codes that give players free gems or discounts. I run giveaways on my channel, check the description below. On-screen, giveaway announcement mock-up, rules summary, subscribe plus comment plus follow. 453, safety and terms reminder, 25s. Spoken. Important, never use hacks, mods, or external generators. They risk bans and can steal your account. These methods are safe and follow the game's rules. On-screen, big red X over, hacks, generators, icons. Text. Play safe, follow TOS. 518. Quick summary, recap, 20s. Spoken. Recap. 1. Daily logins. 2. Daily quests. Events. 3. Watch ads. 4. Promo codes. 5. Achievements, leaderboards, bonus, giveaways and creator codes. Use these together and you'll see steady gem gains. On-screen, 5 icon recap animation. 538. Giveaway CTA plus outro, 22s. Spoken.